Contestant number 4.
Proudly sponsored by Majestic Worldwide.
Contestant number 5.
Proudly sponsored by House of Queens.
Contestant number 6.
Proudly sponsored by Sunwell Stationery and Books.
And contestant number 7.
Proudly sponsored by Husband's Wife from Ghana.
Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our contestants this evening. They've done a wonderful job. I don't know how the judges are going to select a winner tonight. It's going to be a tough one.
That's right. My name is Pageant. I'm going to reveal our contestant number 7. She's upgrading her shower curtain.
My iPhone not toilet. What? Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have another special singer. She is here with us tonight, and we were in the same venue back in September, I believe, for the Miss Samoa. And she beautifully graced us on the stage. She hails from Melbourne. We have the reigning Miss Samoa with us tonight. The beautiful Miss Heilani Kruger, who will perform Miss Samoa, I believe. Heilani, are you here? Or would you like me to represent you? Because we look alike.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the beautiful Miss Samoa here with us tonight. None other than Heilani Kruger.
While she's making her way up here to the stage, I would like to invite everybody here to please join us up here on stage. But as she's making her way up to the stage, we're going to just go through our list of sponsors again, Madam.
Once again, thank you very much to the major sponsors, Bodejanto Fund Momoa, UNDP Global Fund, Native Events Hire. for tonight.
Meow meow. Woof woof. Anyway, you didn't feel like partying, but so once again, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a wonderful evening with all of you here with us tonight. I was supposed to perform tonight, I was supposed to perform tonight, but the DJs do not have a song lined up there. But what's our next program, my darling?
That's right. Next we have, as we were putting out some slideshows for our event, tonight we have Circle of Winners. Tauvaga was established in 2006 and hosts its first Tauvaga pageant to date here at Tauvaga for Winners. Ladies and gentlemen, our slideshow starting from 2006.
Slideshow, ladies and gentlemen. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. On the other slideshow that we have that happening on there. Yeah, basically, that's on the other slideshow. They will have to very show with me.
From 2007, we have Melda Mester Collins from Samoa. Make some noise.
2008, we had Falalima Finella Tauvaga of Samoa. At the moment, we have Falalima Finella Tauvaga. 2006, we had Michelita. She's not with us tonight. 2010, the beautiful Barbara Uli Wills from Australia.
What's tonight as we bring out our former pageant queens.
2011 was Nancy from Manatu Tikeri from Samoa. 2012, we had the beautiful Kelly Tauvaga, also from Samoa. 2013, Felicia Puni of Samoa. 2014, we have beautiful Gustav Sua from Samoa.
Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen, Gustav Sua.
2015, we have the beautiful Stella Alwina from New Zealand. 2016, Priscilla Mulinu Woolberg.
Mama Tara, are those real?
I know. Wait, Priscilla Mulinu Woolberg. 2017, Charlize Mill. 2018, Barbara Tauvaga of Samoa. And from 2019 all the way up to 2022, the beautiful and still reigning Honey Julia Salofa of New Zealand.
Everybody make some noise for the beautiful Honey. She will be giving up her crown tonight to crown who will be the next Miss Tauvaga.
And a big round of applause for all our reigning queens. Don't they look fabulous and beautiful?
Oh, yes.
I love my darlings. Would you like to take a photo or something? No? Okay, because, yeah, all right, come on. And Miss Universe 2022,
make some noise.
Regina. So, ladies and gentlemen,